PivotWorks is the original, fast and easy, and complete solution when it comes to rebuilding a dirt bike or ATV chassis or suspension. Today we're looking at the PivotWorks upper and lower, front and rear A-arm rebuild kits for your ATV or UTV. PivotWorks A-arm kits are designed to restore proper suspension performance and handling back to new by replacing your worn out upper or lower A-arm bushings, bearings, pins, and seals. These A-arm kits include bearings, case-hardened pins, collars, and seals that are manufactured to OEM specifications, giving you a perfect fit and easy installation at a much better price point than OEM counterparts. Each kit includes both left and right sides, but the upper and lower kits are sold separately since the lowers wear out at a much faster rate. If your suspension controls become sloppy and there's play in your A-arm pivots, or your ATV is handling terribly because the A-arms won't go up or down smoothly, it's time to replace your A-arm bearings or bushings. These A-arm rebuild kits from PivotWorks have everything you need to get your ride back to where you want it, smooth and steady. If your suspension is not going up or down smoothly, or it's clunking because the bushings are completely worn out, it's likely that you may need to repair your A-arm pivot points. The A-arms on your ATV or UTV are what link the wheel hubs to the chassis. Using bearings or bushings and seals, they're able to rotate up and down in unity with the suspension over changing trail conditions. After time, and more so because of dirt and mud, these parts wear out, causing you to lose that soft and steady suspension feel you're used to. If that time has come for you, it's time to repair your A-arm bearings and bushings with PivotWorks A-arm rebuild kits. All PivotWorks kits meet or exceed the quality of the OEM parts they replace at a fraction of the cost. Some Polaris and Can-Am UTV bushings are upgraded to a Delrin 150 material that lasts much longer than the cheap plastic the OEM uses. Delrin is a superior bushing material because it does not distort under compression, and it has a very low friction coefficient. Plus, with an industry-first lifetime replacement program on all their products, PivotWorks has you covered for life. That's right, if you're the original owner and your PivotWorks kit has expired as a result of ordinary wear and tear, you're covered with a free replacement. It's that simple. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at pivotworks.com and fill out that contact us form. For the original, fast and easy, complete solution, it's gotta be PivotWorks.